Knock, knock. Who's there? Chickens. Chickens. Knock, knock. Who's there? A herd of wild buffalo. A herd of wild buffalo who... Not gonna happen, bro. The Rock doesn't get caught by buffalo.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Caesar. 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 Knock, knock. Who's there? Jesse Pinkman. Jesse Pinkman. Who? Jesse Pinkman. More like Jesse, think man, because he always has a plan to get us out of trouble. Knock, knock. Who's there? The country roads. The country roads. The country roads who? You heard it from me. It is the country roads to the highway. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's not delivery. It's DiGiorno. Delivering some hilarious laughs. Just like you know. Right. I just wanted to make sure that you were doing well. Knock, knock. Who's there? Chemistry. Chemistry. Chemistry who? Chemistry may be the study of matter, but I prefer the study of making money. Say my name. Knock, knock. Who's there? Yeah. Yeah, oh. You're Breaking Bad, Walter. And you're going down like your chemistry lab in season 4. Let's cook up some laughs. Knock, knock. Who's there? Heisenberg. Heisenberg may be the king of the meth world, but even I can't resist a good knock. Not joke. Let's cook up some laughs. Knock. Who's there? Tuco. Tuco who? Tuco Salamanca, more like Tuco Salaman, can't keep his temper in check. But seriously, folks, let's cook up some laughs.